Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install MySQL 9 version on Ubuntu 24.04. Okay, open any web browser, then go to mysql.com, then click on downloads, then click on MySQL community downloads, then click on MySQL community server. See here we have the versions 8.0.40, 8.4 and 9.1. Okay, select the 9. Then select the operating system Ubuntu Linux. Then select the Ubuntu 22.04 as OS version. See, once we selected it, populated list of the Debian packages. Those needs to be installed. But instead of downloading each one, we have to download this deb bundle, and it is the tar file. So download this one by clicking on this download. Click on download. Then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, MySQL server 9.10 download started and its size is 495 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory, cd downloads, ls. See here we have to enter this MySQL tar file. tar-xf, then give MySQL, give the tab to autofill tar file. Hit enter. ls. See here we have the list of the Debian packages. This needs to be installed. But before installing these packages, Ctrl-L, we have to install the following packages. So I will keep these comments in the video description. It is already installed. Okay. Also install this one. See, both are already newer versions. Okay. But you have to install on your PCs. Ctrl-A. Now ls. Now install MySQL 9 version. Sudo dpkg-i star.deb. We give star means it selects all Debian packages. Okay. Hit enter. Now we have to provide the password or root account and hit enter. Confirm the same. Hit enter. We have successfully installed MySQL 9. Ctrl-A. Now verify status of MySQL server. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, MySQL server is started and it is enabled. Okay, so pivot to quit. Now connect to MySQL server. Command is MySQL-u root. Root is the username -p. Hit enter, then provide the password that we have set at the time of installation. Hit enter. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL server 9.1. We can also verify the version of the MySQL server by running the command select version, put semicolon. See, we have installed MySQL server version number 9.10. If you want to verify list of databases, use the command show database. This type of show databases. See, these are the list of the databases that comes with installation of MySQL. Now create a database. Create database bank. See, we have created a database. Let us verify show databases. See, new database is there. Okay. If you want to switch to this new database and create objects, we have to run the command use then database. But verify the current database by running the command select database. See, now database is there. So use the bank. Now run the same. Above one is the typo. So verify database. Select database. See, we are in the bank database. Now verify list of tables in this database. See, you don't have any tables. So let us create a table and insert some data. Now verify tables, show tables. See, we have customer table. Let us insert some data into this table. Now verify the data, select star from student. We don't have table student, so select star from customer. See, we have created and inserted these two rows. Okay, if you want to get only the particular column name, so you have to give like account number from. See the difference. If you give star means it retrieved all column values, but if you want only particular column values, we have to give like this. Okay, now we will see the list of the users. So users, this won't work. Just I want to show you the error and how to find the users. See, we don't have the command, so select user from MySQL dot user. See, these are the list of the users that comes with MySQL installation. So create a user, create user James identified by, provide the password. See, whatever password is in singular double quotes, that is the password. Put semicolon. We have successfully created. Now verify again. See, new user James is there. Let us exit and connect to MySQL with this new user. To exit from the MySQL, you have to use the command exit. Now type MySQL -u. Username is James -p. Then provide the password that we have given for this user. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the current user. Current, select current underscore user. See, we have connected with the user James. Okay. Now try to switch to this new database, that is bank. See, we don't have permission. So to connect to database, we have to connect permissions to users. Okay. For that, we have to grant the privileges. So now we will see how to stop, start and restart MySQL on Ubuntu Linux. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL. Hit enter. Now verify. Instead of stop, give status. See, MySQL service is stopped. Also try to connect to MySQL while it is stopped. -root -p. Then provide the password of root account. See, we are unable to connect because MySQL server is stopped. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL. Now verify the status. See, MySQL service is started. Q to quit, Ctrl-L. Now restart MySQL service. Sudo systemctl restart MySQL. Verify the status. See, MySQL service is started and running. Ctrl-L. Until now we have performed actions by using MySQL client. We can also connect to MySQL server by using MySQL Workbench and dbeaver. If you want to install MySQL Workbench, go to same mysql.com. Again click on downloads. Go to MySQL community downloads. Then see, here we have the MySQL Workbench. Click on it. Then select the version Ubuntu Linux. Then you have to download the MySQL Workbench. Okay. And for dbeaver, go to dbeaver.com.io. Sorry. Then see, here we have the dbeaver community and dbeaver pro. Click on download. Then see, here we have the packages for. See, here we have the Linux Debian package. You have to download and install. Okay. For these two installation, you can go through my channel. There you can find the how to install MySQL Workbench and dbeaver on Ubuntu operating systems. Okay. So the last step is go to downloads ls. These packages are not required because we have successfully installed MySQL 9. So remove this one to clear the space. rm star.deb ls. Also remove this star file. Remove MySQL, give the tab, hit enter, ls. So we have cleared the space. So in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL 9 version on Ubuntu 22.04. The process is same on all Ubuntu operating systems. For more MySQL and Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.